Hello students, welcome to GBP Science. This is question sample paper for BSc Agriculture 6th semester, Diseases of Field and Horticultural Crops and Their Management Part 2. In this sample paper, we will discuss first of all 1 mark question. After that, we will discuss 5 marks questions. The first question is crown gall of apple is caused by विच ऑर्गेनिज्म, यहाँ पर ऑर्गेनिज्म का नाम लिखना है, विच इज आल्सो नोन एज जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग बैक्टीरिया. द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज आयरिश पोटैटो फेमिन वाज हेल्ड इन कंट्री. किस कंट्री में आयरिश पोटैटो फेमिन हुई थी और किस ईयर में हुई थी. द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज द सेक्सुअल स्पोर ऑफ लेट ब्लाइट ऑफ पोटैटो. Question number 4. Write a short note on systemic infection of white rust of mustard. The fifth question is what is hypertrophy and hyperplasia. And sixth question is write the cause of iris famine. Question number 7 is canal bunt of wheat is caused by which organism. Question number 8 is name the disease which gave the birth of plant pathology. Question number 9, if barberry plant is destroyed, what will happen in case of black stem rust of wheat? Next question 10, why are plant diseases studied? Question number 11, is a vector of Tundu disease of wheat. Question number 12, ear cockle of wheat is also known as which disease? Question number 13, is causal organism of alternaria blight of mustard. Question number 14, stug head inflorescence is a characteristics feature of which disease? यानी कि Question number 15, Dr. K.C. Mehta is well known name in plant pathology. Which is the answer, rust of wheat or rust of mustard? Question number 16, what is the causal organism of loose smut of wheat? Question number 17, white rust of mustard is caused by which organism? Question number 18 is the first plant parasitic nematode. यानी कि what is the first plant parasitic nematode? Downy mildew of peas caused by which organism? Question number 20, name the 5 spores of rust fungi. Question number 21 is the causal organism of leaf spot of turmeric. And question number 22, apple scab is caused by which organism? Question number 23, which fungicide is best for apple scab? Question number 24, early blight of potato is caused by which organism, which pathogen? Question number 25, sexual spore of Puccinia graminis triticei. यानी Question number 26, crown gall of apple is caused by which organism? Question number 27, which of the following spore infects the barberry leaf in case of black stem rust of wheat? ब्लैक स्टेम रस्ट ऑफ व्हीट के केस में कौन सा स्पोर बारबेरी की लीफ को इंट्रैक्ट करता है, बेसिडियोस्पोर और टिलियोस्पोर? व्हाट इज द आंसर? क्वेश्चन नंबर 28, द रस्ट फंगाई विच प्रोड्यूसेस 5 टाइप ऑफ स्पोर इन देयर लाइफ साइकिल इज नोन एज. ऐसा रस्ट फंगाई जो अपनी लाइफ साइकिल में 5 टाइप के स्पोर प्रोड्यूस करता है, उसका नाम क्या है? मैक्रोसाइक्लिक और माइक्रोसाइक्लिक। क्वेश्चन नंबर 29, नेम द रोमन रस्ट गॉड। रोमन रस्ट गॉड का नाम क्या था? क्वेश्चन नंबर 30, येलो रस्ट ऑफ व्हीट इज आल्सो नोन एज विच रस्ट। यानी कि येलो रस्ट ऑफ व्हीट डिजीज का दूसरा नाम क्या है? The 5 marks question of this subject. The first question is list any 5 diseases of sugarcane with their causative agents। यानी कि 5 sugarcane disease के नाम लिख के उनका causal organism लिखना है। Define symptoms and control measures of any one। किसी एक को डिटेल में डिफाइन करना है, उसका डिजीज साइकिल, डेवलपमेंट, कंट्रोल मेजर एटसेट्रा। The second question is what is the causal organism, symptoms and control measures of common leaf spot of strawberry। Next question is name the 3 rust of wheat with their causative organism। Draw a disease cycle of black stem rust of wheat। Question number 4, list the apple diseases with their causal organism, explain any one of them। Question number 5 is write the causal organism, symptoms, diseases, management of the crown gall of apple। List the mustard diseases with their causal organism, explain rust of mustard। Question number 7 is explain the downy mildew and powdery mildew of cucurbits। Explain the downy mildew and powdery mildew of cucurbits। Write the causal organism and symptoms of ear cockle of wheat, explain the disease cycle of it। Question number 9, define the following, what is spermatization with label diagram, forma specialis, autoecious rust, heteroecious rust, and contribution of K.C. Mehta about rust of wheat।